Now, when we add the 17 butterflies and the 1 butterflies, how many butterflies are there?
18, teacher.
Okay, there are 18 butterflies. Okay, there are 18 butterflies. Again, what do we call to the set of numbers of a... Yes, Ginny?
Adams, teacher.
Yes. That is, then what will we do to the word and the word is? Yes, Ginny?
We replaced it by a plus sign and equal sign.
Okay. Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. You are good to measure your understanding to our discussion. I have here some activities. But before that, who among you know some classroom group rules? Yes, Ginny.
Follow the directions, teacher.
Okay, follow the direction. How about you know, Liboy? Do you know some classroom rules? Group rules?
Participate in the group.
Okay, participate in your group. Now, grade 1 is our group rules. I will read it first, then you will follow. Group rules.
Rules.
Follow
Follow
directions.
directions.
Participate
In
in the class.
the class.
Respect
Respect
your
your
group mates.
groupmates.
Okay. Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, I will distribute your activity. But before I distribute your activity, let us read the direction. But before we read, I will group you into 3. Okay. Let us start here. 1.
1,
2.
3.
Okay. Now, but before we start, these are the directions of each group. For the group 1, directions.
Directions.
Count
Count
each
each
set
set
of
of
penguins
penguins
to
to
find
find
the answer.
the answer.
Is that clear, group 1?
Yes, teacher.
And this is for group 2. Directions.
Directions.
Count
Count
the fishes
the fishes
to find
to find
the number
the number
of missing
of missing
addends.
addends.
Is that clear, group 2?
Yes, teacher.
For group 3, directions.
Directions.
Count
Count
the monkeys
the monkeys
to find
to
to
find
find
the number
the number
of missing
of missing
addends.
addends.
Is that clear, group 3?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now I will distribute you your activity work. I will give you 5 minutes to answer the I will give you 5 minutes to answer your activity. Then clap your hands if you are finished your task. Now grade 1, paste your activity to the board. Who wants to report for group 1? Yes, Janine.
Good morning, everyone. This is the report of Group 1. The task given to us is these directions. Count each set of penguins to find the answer. We count the numbers of these penguins and the total of them are 13, teacher, while we add 8 to this group of penguins which are 4, teacher. That's why our answer is 17. 13 plus 4 equals 17.
Okay, let us give 1,000 clap for group 1. But before that, we will check it. Okay, now let us proceed to the group 2. Yes, no, boy. Grade 1, you are actively participating in our class.
Direction. Count the pieces to find the number of missing atoms. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, there are 13 pieces plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pieces.
How about? Okay, very good. Now let us proceed to the group 3. Yes, Maribel.
Good morning, classmates. Directions. Count the monkeys to find the number of missing atoms. So, in here, in the second picture, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monkeys, and the total of them are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we conclude, teacher, that the missing number here is 12 because the total here is 18, and in this second picture there are 6 monkeys.
Okay, very good. Now let us take your work. Let us proceed to now group 1. Okay, count each set of penguins to find the answer. The first picture is there are 13 penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 13. And thus 4 is equal to 17. Okay. Okay, very good. Group 1, you are correct. Let us give 5 claps for group 1. For the group 2, count the pieces to find the number of missing dents. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 pieces in the first dents. So, we conclude that the missing number is 5 to get the 18 pieces. Okay, let us give 5 claps for group 2. Now let us proceed to the group 3. Count the monkeys to find the number of missing dents. So, we conclude that there are 12 monkeys missing. So, because 12 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is equal to 8. 18 monkeys. Very good. Let us give yourself 1,000 claps. Okay. Do you know what is 1,000 claps?
No, teacher.
Okay, I will do it first, then you will follow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 500, 500, 1,000. Okay. Grade 1. Let us stand up, then follow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 500, 500, 1,000. Okay. Very good. Group. Okay, very good. Group. Grade 1, you are truly understood our discussion for today. But before that, I have here an activity. Now, I will read the directions, then you will follow. Directions.
Directions.
Click
Click
the correct numbers
the correct numbers
based
based
Please.
to the picture
to the picture
presented.
presented.
Who wants to answer number 1?
Teacher.
Yes, Jimmy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. Jini's answer is correct. How about number 2? Yes, Nolly boy. Okay, very good, Jini. You're correct. Your answer is correct. How about the number 2? Who wants to answer? Yes, Nolly boy.
Blank plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay, your answer is correct. How about the third? The third one, who wants to answer? Yes, Jimmy. Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. Okay, you have truly understood our discussion for today. Grade 1, you want a game?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, I have here a game. Who among you know the game Jack and Paul?
Not teacher.
Okay, this is the mechanics. The students will be grouped into two groups. I will Nolive's group and Jenin's group. Now, each representative will do the job and point. So, you will go to the front, then you will do the job and point. Then, the group who is loose should answer the following tasks by the teacher. Okay. Now, let us now grade 1 go to the front, then job and point.
Drop and point.
Okay. Jinin is, this is task for Jinin. Okay, what is the answer?
16, teacher.
Okay, this is 16 because 8 kittens, 8 plus 8 kittens is equal to 16.
16.
Now, for the second,
Jack and Paul.
Okay, Jin again. This is your task.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, teacher.
Okay, there are nine cows, then 8 kittens are 17.
17.
Okay, how about the third one?
Jack and Paul. Jack and Paul. Jack and Paul.
Okay, now Devon, your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 cats plus blank equals 18. The missing number is 2.
Oh, how many kittens are there? In the
16.
first addends?
16.
16. What is the missing addends? What is the number of missing addends?
2, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, okay. Oh, okay, grade 1. Now, you have truly understood our lesson for today. Let us get 1/4. But before that, how can now how can we add how can we visualize and add to one digit using how can we visualize and adding to one digit of numbers with sum up to 18 with zero property of addition? Yes, Jimmy.
Teacher, we can visualize and add two one-digit numbers with the sum of 80 with zero property of addition by replacing the set of pictures or digits and to something to know to something to know or to something numbers that equal to 80, that is equal to 80.
Okay, it's quite similar to this one. Okay, I will read it first, then you will follow. We
We
can
can
visualize
and
add
add
to one digits
to
two
one
one
digit
digits
numbers
numbers
with sum up
with
to
sum
sum
up
to 18
to 18
with zero property
with zero property
of addition
of addition
by replacing the set
by replacing the set
of objects
of
of
objects
or something
or something
to the numbers
to the numbers
that equal
that
that
equal
to
to
18.
18.
Is that clear, grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. You have truly understood our discussion for today. But before we end before that, get 1/4 sheet of paper for our assessment. Okay. For number 1, encircle the correct answer. For number 1, there are 13 fishes at the lake and 5 fishes at the pond. How many fishes do we have? A 13, B 18, C 12, D 10. For the number 2, the monkey ate 9 bananas every morning and 9 bananas every afternoon. How many bananas does the monkey eat in one day? A 18, B 13, C 11, D 10. For number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 kittens plus blank is equal to 18. And for number 5, 9 cows plus 8 kittens is equal to blank. Okay. Are you finished grade 1?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. And for your assignment, help to your mother. Okay. That is for today. See you around grade 1.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher.